Hello guys, this is Sai Harikrishnan from the trendyblog.net, and in this video, let us check out a special keyboard made for Apple products. So this is a Zagg Lightning wired keyboard. It is a full-size keyboard with 18-inch cable and also comes with 1-year warranty. So this keyboard is made for all these products. You can see all of them are Apple specific products. So this is Apple specific keyboard. And unboxing the product, we get the keyboard itself. Then we have the user guide. Then we have a 20% coupon code, and here are some special functions keys that you can pause the video and read. The keyboard is made up of good quality material and it's also quite sturdy. You can see it gives a good tactile feedback while typing, so you can use this with your MacBook, iPad, iPhones, etc. And here is the lightning port that gets connected to your Apple devices. And to the back you can see we have a slide trace which will help you in typing better. So guys, that was super quick unboxing of the Zagg Lightning keyboard. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, the Trendy Blog. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and I will catch you guys soon in my next video.